Now that you understand what Microsoft Verified ID is and why it matters, it's time to look under the hood. Let's walk through how this system works behind the scenes. Using the diagram in front of you. Each component plays a role in helping you issue, hold, and verify credentials securely without relying on a centralized authority. It all begins with a decentralized identifier, DEID. That's what you see at the top left of the diagram. This unique ID is created using a DID method and lives on a decentralized system. Think of this as your digital equivalent of a passport number, but one that you fully control. Next, this DID is anchored in a trust system, represented by the colorful cubes. This could be a blockchain, distributed ledger, or another trusted decentralized network. This system gives your DID global discoverability and credibility. It's how others can verify that your credentials come from a trustworthy source, even if they've never met you before. You're at the center of the process. As a user, you store your digital credentials in a secure wallet, typically using the Microsoft Authenticator app. This app becomes your identity wallet, and it's where you collect and manage your verifiable credentials, like a job offer, proof of citizenship, or vaccination record. Now, let's say someone wants to verify your credential. They use a service like the Microsoft Resolver, shown on the left. This tool helps them resolve your DID and retrieve the necessary metadata to validate the credential without exposing your personal data. This step ensures the credential hasn't been tampered with and that the DID it was issued under still exists and is trusted. Finally, everything ties together through the Microsoft Entra Verified ID API. This API acts as the bridge between the credential holder, you, the issuer, like your employer, and the verifier, like a new hiring company. Using this API, credentials are issued securely and signed with cryptographic trust, stored by you in your wallet, and verified by others with real-time validation without contacting the issuer. All of this happens using OpenID Connect protocols and self-issued tokens, meaning you don't rely on Google or Facebook to log in or prove your identity. With Microsoft Verified ID, you get a decentralized identifier that lives on a trusted system. Receive verifiable credentials in your Microsoft Authenticator app. Let others verify your credentials using secure resolvers and APIs. Stay in control of your data, deciding what to share, when, and with whom. It's fast, it's private, and most importantly, it puts identity back in your hands.